What's up, guys? We're back to the channel. What we're doing today, we're gonna go pick up the sim. So this is not the day I was supposed to pick up the sim. I think there's probably a gap in the videos, maybe, depending on how I can arrange it. This is the 6th day of daily vlogging, daily videos, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna go pick up the sim and hopefully have a good, easy transaction and just take and go. And then we're gonna have a huge week of figuring out what we're gonna do with this thing and what it's gonna be a whole thing with it, hopefully. So let's go get the sim thing and then we'll talk a little more in a little bit. All right, guys, so I just picked up the sim racing machine guy, whatever you want to call it. And it's all in the back seat there. So I see you got the box there, got the sim racer back there. We're gonna go to the house, get it unloaded. Short video today. It's gonna be a little short video, but I gotta go to a birthday baby shower and my girlfriend's dad's birthday dinner. So it's gonna be a little short video, but definitely today. But we got the machine. Now we're gonna probably gotta set the thing up and get everything going, and we're gonna go through a whole schedule and go through some ideas that I have for this machine. All right, guys, so what we got going on here, we got it down here. This thing weighs 180 pounds. I was gonna record a whole, not a whole thing, I was just gonna say, set up a little time lapse so it's getting this thing out, but it is too heavy, and it was just like, all right, I don't know if we're gonna get this down in the basement. We did get in the basement, as you can see, but it took a little bit. So what we got going on here, we got our direct drive here. This is a R9. Oh, it says it on here somewhere, I think. It says it on here somewhere. I thought it did. Maybe not. Probably somewhere. But it's an R9 version 2 direct drive of Moza. We got some the SRP, I think. This is what these are. Don't quote me on that. Pedals with the clutch. Then we walk over here. We got ourselves, the Formula 1 wheel, which is pretty damn cool. So we're gonna do some things with that. We got handbrake for some drifting action. That's the huge thing I wanted to see with that. We got a sequential shifter, which I'm not too crazy about the. Oh no, is this the handbrake? No, I was wrong. Oh, hold on, I'm wrong. This is the handbrake, and this is the sequential shifter. Yeah, that's the sequential shifter. That's the handbrake here. That's our what do you call it? That's the wheel. I didn't get that wrong. Wires. This all goes to to power up all that stuff there, hook everything up. We got the wheel here, which I'll unbox for you real quick. All right, so here's the wheel right here, and these are, I guess, extra pieces and things get broken or things like that. So here's the extra wheel. This is a regular. This is probably what we're gonna be using most of the time, but I can get out of the box, out of the thing. So this is the wheel, a little heavier, definitely much heavier than that thing. Here's the thing. I heard this thing had such a really good locking mechanism. Hold on, I think. Hold on. Is there any specific way? Oh, it does right there. Okay. Oh, okay. I see. I see how this goes. All right. So I heard another thing has a really cool mechanism. It's like butter when it locks in. There we go. I'm sorry you guys can't see that, but that's pretty damn cool. All right. Nice carbon fiber. I think these are carbon fiber. Yep, carbon fiber shifters. That feels. Oh, we're gonna be having a good time with it. We're gonna be having a good time with this thing here. We're gonna be having a good time with this thing here. So let's see. Hold on. Let me try to show you guys this freaking crisp. All right, that popped right off. This is so much heavy. Now let's try the other one out real quick. All right, we're gonna put this thing on. Let's see. This is so much lighter. I can kind of see what people are talking about, like lightness and stuff. Where's the Moza symbol? Oh, Moza symbol's on this. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can get this in one shot. Oh, butter. No play. Up, down, try and pull side to side. Oh my God. Now I can see what people are talking about when they say that the heavier wheel is, I think, damping, like what you feel from this thing. I can 100% feel it now because this is like butter. The other one, you felt the weight to it. That was pretty neat, actually. I'm probably gonna leave this on for now, just the cool factor. Okay, we're gonna be having some fun with this. I think that's it for the boxes wise. I think, yeah, just got counter tables, stuff like that. Shifters, all that goes over here. So basically, I think it can go anywhere I think we want over here. And it goes like that, yeah, like this. This is all custom made by the guy that, what do you call it? All right. Oh shit. Yeah, so I got both that down, but that's how that goes there. Okay. All right, I'm trying to figure out that light. That light's gonna be annoying if how am I gonna have this? We're probably gonna have this like this. No, I guess the way he has this drilled is like this. I'm probably gonna change the way this is and how it connects, but because I think I want the shifter like the brake closest to me. But for now, this will do. Oh, he has the nuts. I see how he has the nuts. So I got the handbrake. So I go. Try out these pedals real quick. See, it's adjustable, so I can actually pull this up if I want to. I'm definitely going to be shaving off some of this thing here. So, gas pedal, clutch. Well, once I start driving, I feel more natural, but. All right, so we finally got this thing. Expensive. But hopefully we can make it work. We'll have a good time with it, and yeah. All right, guys. So other than that, guys, listen, I'm gonna end the channel. I'm gonna end the channel, guys. Right here, we got the sim racer. We're done. But now we're gonna end the video off here. We just got this, guys, so I'm really happy with this. We're gonna come back tonight. I'm probably gonna finish making more videos tonight. We'll edit this video after I get home from my the baby shower, and then the dinner. And then when I get back home, I'm gonna come back and probably make a setup video of setting this thing all up in our first attempt of using this thing. So stay tuned for that. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below. Comment down below what you guys think about the sim racer, and you know, honestly, anything advice if you guys have already done this, give me some advice on what to do and setup wise and nothing like that, because it's my first sim, so we're gonna figure it out as we go. And yeah, so hit the subscribe button. Do your taste, follow dreams. Don't let it get in your way. Stay maverick. I'll see you guys next one.